I wanted to understand the unpredictability of ChatGPT because in your book you've spoken extensively about this. So, as per statistics, over 40% of the users would take AI's advice, even if they know that it can be incorrect. And over 70 countries are using AI for taking high risk decisions which have high stakes in the field of medical triage, credit scoring, hiring, and so many others. How big of a problem do you see this? Because here we're looking at 70 countries. This is macro level that we're talking about.
So again, with existing technology, we can test it, we can see how well it does. If I have a Tesla self-driving car, I see on average per mile it is safer than a human driver, so we deploy it. That makes sense. The concerns about unpredictability go with more advanced AI where it's smarter than us. You cannot predict what a smarter agent will do. Let's say you're playing chess against the best computer program. The only thing you can predict is that it's going to win. You're going to lose. You cannot predict specific moves it will make. If you could do that, you would be that smart. And we already established it's smarter than you. So this is the unpredictability part. If a system is smarter than us, we cannot anticipate what it's going to do, what decisions it's going to make. The systems deployed right now are still subhuman intelligence. So we can test them, we can understand a lot about them. Maybe not perfectly, but we sort of understand in narrow domains what they are doing. If I have a system specifically for helping me with investing or something like that, I understand the advice it gives, I can measure how well it performs. So we are still doing well with understanding, testing, and guaranteeing safety of narrow AI. The more general it becomes, the more super intelligent it becomes, the less we'll be able to do that.
There are some cursed words. Apparently, there is a word called solid gold magic carp. If you type this word, ChatGPT goes crazy, it breaks down. What is this?
It's a kind of like a jailbreak, but instead of telling it a story, you found a mistake in its logic. It's like analogy would be hypnotizing a human. You do something to them and now they give you all their money. Basically, you're hacking their cognitive structure. Based on how they were trained, for whatever reason, there is a trigger. And those are natural occurring. People just discovered them. But actually, when you train a model, you can put trigger prompts in there where anytime I say a specific keyword or do something, now the model starts working for me. It's essentially hacked and you cannot trust it anymore. So it's a big concern about those backdoors placed into advanced machine learning algorithms.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.